Hey guys, thanks for joining us. I'm Sean, the M2 designer, and today we're going to go inside Auto Hauler's Release 31. So let's take a look at these bad boys. Bad boys? Okay guys, first up is the 1967 Chevrolet C60 truck. This one also contains the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS RS 396. This one has, let's see, right here, this has the crane cams logos. Let's see the crane cams on the door of the Chevy truck. Bright red with a bright white top. And it says right here, crane cams, legendary brand, modern service. 65 years of going fast, and crane cams, complete line of roller tip rocker arms, performance camshafts, mechanical roller lifters. And this is a beautiful set. Even the packaging has the crane cams logos and colors. And let's see, there we go. And the truck, that's our C60 truck. This really cool truck head, kind of a COE truck. It's bright red, like I said, with a white top, bright chrome grille, and it has chrome bud wheels with big Goodyear text on the tires. Just a cool looking truck. And the open trailer. And the inside is the red 67 Camaro Super Sport Rally Sport 396 car. It also has the chrome five-spoke rims with Goodyear tires. It's the SS, so it has the SS hood. We'll take out the car in a second. So it's got the SS hood. It's even got the optional rear spoiler on it. It's got the Bumblebee nose band around the front. We'll take that out here in a second. Okay guys, here's the 1967 Chevrolet C60 and Chevrolet Camaro set for crane cams. This one's opened, and now we can take a look at the Camaro outside of the cool trailer. And you can see it's bright red with the white nose band. Has the SS hood. Also has the rear spoiler. And this one's wearing big and skinny tires. You can see the fronts right here. Let's see right here on the bottom. So it's got the skinny front tires, the pizza cutters, and the big, thick, slick tires in the back for more traction at the drag strip. Let's see if you can see those right there. See how giant they are. And it's just a cool Camaro. Crane cams on the door, black interior on the car, and the matching truck to go along with it. Okay guys, next up is our 1970 Ford C600 truck cab, and a 1956 Ford F100 truck. The truck is resting inside the trailer. But right now we're just going to show you the outside. And this one has, I don't know if you could tell, this one has our new black pearl metallic. So it's got that, let's see this focus. So it's got that nice metallic, little metallic bits and pieces. So every time you turn it, you kind of see the light picking that up, those little sparkles. And take it out in the sun and it really pop. And so even the trailer is painted in that. And the graphics on this one is the Holley Street Demon. And it's got this really cool graphic on the side. And you see it on the back and right inside here. Let's open this up. You can see there's we'll pull it out a little bit. But there's a 56 Ford truck in there. So we'll pull that off in a sec. And let's see, the tires are black wall, but the rims are black chrome, so they got a really cool look to them, a little different. And the cab, the C600 cab, is also wearing the optional sleeper cab and with the AC box up on top. And it's just a really nice piece. That paint, you gotta see this for yourself. Take this piece outside and see how the turquoises and the pinks and the silver sparkle in the paint. It's just a beautiful color. Okay, guys, and now here's the truck open. This is the 1956 Ford F100 truck, and this is the truck that's found inside the back of the trailer. And you can see it's got that same cool paint, that the brand new black pearl metallic. So it's got all these beautiful little speckles of color on it. And the rims are black chrome, and it's got the Holley Street Demon logo on the door, and even on the back tailgate. And it also has big and little tires. These are more street tires, like Pro Street. Bigger tires, thicker, not pizza cutters in the front on this one. More of a nice street car for a nicer ride and current turning. It's got its white interior inside the truck. Let's see, let's get this to focus better here. And there you go, there's the set. And finally, we have the 1969 Dodge L600 and 1971 Dodge Charger RT. And this set is like a race car set. You see that the whole set is bright white, the body of the truck and the Charger, but also the trailer. And this one has this cool graphic. You can see on the Charger right here, this Mopar graphic. And back here, if you notice this, it says, was it Mopar.com, and let's see, we're getting out of focus here. Mopar.com and 512. And 512 is the cubic inch designation for the V10 Viper engine. So this is a driver, so the hood does not open, but and you can see right here on the fender, right here, this is the Dodge Viper logo right there, the snake head. And so this set is really a cool Mopar set. You see the cab, the L600 cab, and it even has the same graphic right here. The rims are blacked out with a yellow Goodyear tires, and then the white on the trailer with the black Mopar badges, and it just makes for a really nice set. And we'll pull off the car in a little bit. And even the bumpers on the Charger, they're all whited out. Same for the front bumper on the L600 truck. And the Charger is just a beautiful Charger. It's bright white with the black graphics. Even the window trim is blacked out. Has the optional wing, and it's got the Mopar graphics, black interior. The rims are black chrome with Goodyear Eagle yellow tires, and it comes with extra rims and tires, and also like a big old chrome air tank to work on the car at the races. And there you go, guys. It's just a beautiful set. Lots of attitude coming from this car. And here we have the Dodge L600 truck and the 1971 Dodge Charger RT. And then we can look at it a little closer opened up. And this one's just nice. It's gorgeous. This cool Mopar graphic around the bottom of the door, starts and climbs across the back quarter panel. Mopar and the 512. And you got the Viper emblem right here on the front fender. Blacked out trim, black chrome rims, or black chrome with the Goodyear tires, white front and rear color matched bumpers. It just makes for a really nice set right there. Okay, and here we have the chase car, and it happens to be the 1969 Dodge L600 truck and 1971 Dodge Charger RT. Let's point out it's the same as the regular version, but then you get the clear tires. They're clear plastic or rubber tires, and then the interior is red now, and the chrome bumpers, and even these air horns up on the top of the roof of the cab and the rims, they are now black chrome. And that goes for the same for the Charger on the back. Now the bumpers have been black chromed. Same with the rims. They are black chrome, and the tires on the Charger as well are clear with a red interior. And I believe, yes, on the back window is the M2 logo. It's also there on the truck, if you can see it right there. And even the extra rims and tires on the holder right here are black chrome rims with clear tires. We'll just go all the way around with the set. And it just makes and check out that air tank, black chrome. That's pretty awesome, huh? Go around one more time. There you go. This is the chase piece for the set. Okay guys, here's the chase piece opened and off the trailer, and this one's limited to 500 pieces worldwide. We can take a closer look. And this one is a little different from the regular. It has the clear rubber tires. The rims are black chrome, and the bumpers are now black chromed as well. Let's see, we'll go right there. Let's hold that there to focus. You can see the back. And then also see the interior is red, and it has the M2 logo on the back window. And the same with the truck. It has the same stuff. Black chrome bumper, black chrome rims, clear tires, red interior. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you for joining us today. And it was, again, that's Auto Haulers Release 31 from M2 Machines. And do us a solid, please, and click and subscribe below. And we'll make more videos, and we'll see you guys next time.